Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be checking out 2 free indicators on TradeLocker that are going to give you a simple strategy to keep you consistent and hopefully guide you to success, right? So let's just jump into that shortly here. But if you like this kind of content and you want to see more of it, please like, subscribe, comment in the video below, hit that notification bell to keep up to date. And also, if you want to go ahead and actually join our free Discord group, you can do so at the link below. No charge for this whatsoever. Just jump in, get chatting with everybody. We post profits on the daily. Past trades are put in there by our master trader FX Dave. All information, resources of what we have available. There's the VIP Telegram signals also. You can check that out below too, and also an automation program. Enough of that. Let's jump into the strategy. So the first thing you're going to do is actually get here into TradeLocker, and you're going to go to indicators, right? And you're going to search for VWAP Super Trend. If you click the indicators in the top right, you can actually type these in. They're at the top for me because I have already favorited them, which you can do when you find something. Just click the star and you'll add it to favorites and they'll stick at the top. So I'm going to add my VWAP and I'm going to add my Super Trend. This is on a 1 minute chart on US 30, right? Really, really simple, guys. It doesn't get any more simple than this. This is the VWAP line, like volume weighted average price. We won't get into what that is. Just know that if you are above this line, that you are going to be looking for buys. If you are below this line, prices below this line, you're going to be looking for sells. So, I mean, look at this already, right? Just take it from this. So you're here, price has gone underneath, right? Right now, you could have probably scalped a little bit of a sell real quick, but let's wait to see what happens here, right? We move up above, we start to get this green line. So even on this candle, once this candle, see this candle on the right, this candle right here pushes up above that, and we get a green line. Good opportunity to go ahead and take a long position, take a trade, right? Take a buy. So I'm going to get in a buy position here, okay? And then guess what? My stop loss, it will start off here, and as price moves, I can tighten my stop loss up, and then I can tighten it up again, right? And I can keep going until my stop loss is actually in profit here. But I mean, obviously, already we're in substantial profit. You may have taken your profits already, or you could play the game of just trailing your stop loss with that green line, right? Like this yellow line is my stop loss. It's all in profit here, and then price takes me out. But I'm still above the blue line, so I'm looking for the next buy opportunity. So what am I doing? I'm just waiting for this red line on the super trend indicator to turn green. Once it does turn green, well, that's where I'm going to get in. It got green on this candle, so I'm going to get in on that candle. I'm going to put my stop loss right at that point there, right? And again, I'm going to trail my stop loss, or I'm going to get out when I'm satisfied with my profit. So right here, obviously, at this point, you would have actually, if you trailed your stop loss on this trade, you would have got out with a teeny tiny bit of a loss, right? Otherwise, I mean, man, if you got into there and that happened and you didn't take profits, I mean, what are you doing, right? Just remember, again, we always talk about protecting and taking profits quickly, right? We focus a lot on kind of scalping here, and this is exactly what this is. We're on the 1 minute chart, and we have an indicator here that helps us kind of get these profits. I mean, look at this move, right? We wait for the rule is we're above the blue. If we're above the blue VWAP line, we're only looking for opportunities of buys, meaning we're only looking to get into a trade once this turns green, from red to green, right? So where did this happen? What candle? Let's zoom in. The moment that this candle happened, right, we would have got into that trade, and then again, stop loss down at this point, okay? And straight away, I mean, that's just rocketing into profits already. And if you trailed your stop loss rather than take profit, up here, then you would have got out with some profit there. Price would have taken you out on this candle. See how useful this is? Again, the super trend and the VWAP line. So let's just take a look at some sell opportunities, right? So we're looking for price to be below this blue line. So yeah, the US 30 has been very bullish lately, so it's hard to find an opportunity. Let's just see here. All right. Okay, we have found an opportunity. It doesn't last for too long, but it is something. So right now, price is messing around this blue line, but it is under it. Okay, I've got a red super trend now, and this has been quite a big candle, and it's broken these structures. That's more confirmation for me. So you might take a stab at this trade. It is a little risky because you might want to see price do more, more bearish action, get under that blue line a bit more, bit deeper is the word I'm looking for. But then again, here we go. So right away we are after this candle, little pullback, and then into profit we go. We're trailing our stop loss. We're trailing our stop loss. We're trailing our stop loss. Okay, and then we trail it even more. So now we have to take this line here. So we're trading our stop loss here. We're still under the blue line. No reason to get out. No reason to get out. Trading stop loss all the way. That is an amazing trade. And we got taken out by this candle right here. So that particularly, right? Let me just put the stop loss where it would have been originally, right here. There's a 1 to 2 right there, right, in that one whole move. And again, you can just scalp this if you want to. But right away, you see how it works just the same. If price is under the blue line, right? If price moves under the blue line, we get a red super trend. Get into sell and get your stop loss going, and just take profits with whatever goes with your plan, right? And protect your profits, right? You could have got into this one right here. Looks like I did. And so with that one right there, right, you would have sold here, stop loss above here. That would have moved straight into profit, right? You would have taken profits pretty quickly on that one. So you can see again in how real simple directly on TradeLocker, right? You can trade again with the broker, straight directly on TradeLocker with these two indicators. How many amazing opportunities there are just by following this one simple thing. I keep saying it in every single video, guys. We can make trading super simple. Super simple. So this is something you can go over like I'm doing and backtest it and just follow these rules above the blue line, only taking buys when the super trend turns green, and below the line, right, when price moves below the line and a bit deeper under the line, right, and the super trend turns red, we are taking sells. Okay, I hope that's super useful, you guys. Just remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment below if you've got any questions about this, and hit that subscription bell so you don't miss any further videos from us. And just remember the slogan here: it's no one goes broke taking profits. Cheers.